Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Revolut. While a direct link isn't available, there are straightforward ways to manage your money across both services. We will cover linking your Revolut card to PayPal and then explore indirect methods for transferring funds. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently, ensuring your transactions are smooth and secure. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, open your PayPal account and locate the Wallet section. From there, choose the option to link a new debit or credit card. Carefully input your Revolut card number, expiration date, and security code. PayPal will then make a small, temporary charge to your Revolut card, typically less than $2. You will find a unique 4-digit code in your Revolut transaction history to verify the card. Since direct transfers are not supported, you can move funds indirectly. First, withdraw money from your PayPal balance to a traditional bank account that is linked to PayPal. Once the funds arrive in your bank account, you can then transfer them to your Revolut account. Another convenient option is to simply use your linked Revolut card directly for any purchases you make through PayPal, utilizing your Revolut balance. When managing your funds, always be mindful of any potential fees, especially for currency conversions if you are dealing with different currencies. It is also wise to check the daily or monthly transaction limits imposed by both PayPal and Revolut to avoid any unexpected delays. For security and to prevent issues, ensure that your personal information, such as your name and address, is consistent across both accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.